Hello students, this is the ninth lecture of our course that is related to the very basics understanding of Matlab. So in this lecture I will tell you that how you can create loops in Matlab. First of all, I will create a script. I will save it, loop creation. I will write for loop creation. So this is the script and I am going to show you that how you can create loop in Matlab. Loop is a cycle. So if you within your code a certain set of instruction get repeat itself for multiple times, then you will have to create a loop for them. So let me show you that how you will create a loop. For loop. So let I have a variable x, and within this variable, actually this is a vector, and within this vector I have stored about 100 values. Now I want to create a loop for this vector so that I may be able to show you that how this loop will execute. The for loop starts with the variable which is actually a conditional statement that I will start from 1 to 50, and when a loop execute from 1 to 50 I will have to display the value of x equal to x is the variable and I is its index. So when the loop executes, it will display within the command value the result of that variable, like when the value of I is 1, x of 1 is equal to 0, you can see the answer is 0. Then when the I value is 1, x of 1 is equal to 1, x of 2 is equal to 2, x of 3 is equal to 3. So this loop will execute until and unless this condition meet with the final limit of the loop. If I execute it, you will see that it will display me the values of x one by one with a pause of 0.5 second. Now you can see the result. We can see that I have displayed about 50 values with a pause of 0.5 seconds. So within 25 seconds, the set of all 50 values will be displayed within the command window. I can change the limit of the loop by changing the final value. I can change the starting value. If I use the first value to be 45 and the final value to be 67, then what will happen is this loop will then execute and it will start from 45 and it will end up at 67. So this is these are the limits of the loop. If the condition I meet the final limit, then the for loop will be stopped and no further value will be displayed. I have used the loop variable as the index of x. So after each loop execute, the value of I get changed. At first time when the loop will execute, the value of I will be 45. Then when the second time the loop execute, the value of I will be 46, and so on until and unless it reach the final limit, which is 67. So this is all about the loop creation in Matlab. you will have to write a for loop, you will have to end that loop, and you will have to write a conditional statement. So whatever you are going to write over here, it will be displayed. And for example, I am going to write that display I. When I execute this loop, I'm going to stop the compiler, to pause the compiler for half second after each loop. Okay, I can change the limit from 1 to 12, and I'm going to write an expression over here that y is equal to 2 static x of I plus 1000 divided by 50 plus 2 static I. So whatever the expression is, the result will be displayed within the command window. Look at this. The answer of first, when the value of I is 1, answer was 22, then 30, 34, 38, 45, 40, 54, 62, 66, and so on. So this was all about the for loop. After this, I will tell you that how you can create a while loop in Matlab. Thank you so much.